Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use the rollup field in Airtable to summarize data in a sales CRM. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Airtable website. Over here, click the sign in button. After that, enter your login credentials and click continue. Then go to the table where you want to summarize your data. Click on the table name to open it. Over here, click the plus sign labeled Add field. Then name your new field. After that, click on Link to another record. Then select the table you want to link with and click Create field. If prompted, click Skip to move forward. Next, find a blank field, click on it and type sum. Then select sum from the formula options and apply it. Click on the next record you want to summarize. Then click the plus sign again to add field. In the search part, type rollup, then select it. After that, click on choose a field and select the field from the link table. Then click create field to finish setting it up. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next